Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important term in dynamics, which is acceleration. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. Again, the rate of change of velocity of a moving body is called acceleration. When a body moves with a variable velocity, the body is said to have acceleration. That is, acceleration equals change in velocity by time. The acceleration arises only when there is a change in velocity. So, there comes two terms of time in the term of acceleration. So, the unit of acceleration in CGS system is cm per second square, and in MKS system unit is meter per second square. Now I explain you the acceleration. Let a body is moving with the initial velocity u and final velocity v. Then change in velocity is v minus u. Time taken to bring this much change is t seconds. Then acceleration a equals change in velocity by time v minus u by t. Here we can easily understand that when v is greater than u, the acceleration is positive, and when u is greater than v, the numerator becomes negative term and you will get a negative acceleration. In this negative acceleration is called deceleration, and sometimes it is called retardation. That's all about acceleration. Thank you.